This report for clean energy fuels was published on the 9th of June 2021 and will let you know how we think clean energy fuels will perform in the days ahead. The report is based on advanced computer algorithms, fundamental data and news published about the company. You will get a technical analysis with support and resistance levels, trends, signals, and forecasts for clean energy fuels in the report. You will also get the latest analyst ratings, the latest news headlines, and our conclusion. We will show you some charts and other information needed to help you make even better trading decisions during the report. Knowledge is money, and this report is all about giving you the knowledge you need, so make sure you get the entire report as we cover the important information in different sections throughout the report. Please remember to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell if you find our analysis useful. This way you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now it is time to enjoy the report for clean energy fuels, and please make sure you get our conclusion and forecast at the end of the video.
Welcome to StockInvest.us stock analysis. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions.
Clean energy fuels currently holds a 0.000 score from our algorithms. Our system have ranked clean energy fuels buy or hold candidates since the 3rd of June 2021. In this period, the stock has had a gain of 42.76%. Our last headline for clean energy fuels reads, "Big movements in Clean Energy Fuels Corp. Stock price on Wednesday moving 30.04% between high and low." The Clean Energy Fuels Corp. stock price gained 31.52% on the last trading day, Wednesday the 9th of June 2021, rising from $9.90 to $13.02. During the day, the stock fluctuated 30.04% from a day low at $11.15 to a day high of $14.50. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 70.64% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 108 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 148 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.93 billion. Clean energy fuels trends. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall -35.97% during the next 3 months with a 90% probability hold a price between $4.14 and $8.34 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast. The Clean Energy Fuels Corp. stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $9.71 and $9.34. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, May 25, 2021, and so far it has risen 70.64%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Support, risk and stop loss for clean energy fuels. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $11.84 and $10.36. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Clean Energy Fuels Corp. finds support just below today's level at $11.84. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $10.36 and $9.90. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $3.35 between high and low, or 30.04%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 18.68%. Here are some important key values for clean energy fuels. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Clean energy fuels currently has a price-earning ratio of -105.63. A negative high price-to-earnings ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even the most established companies experience down periods, which may be due to environmental factors that are out of the company's control. However, companies that consistently show a negative P/E ratio are not generating sufficient profit and run the risk of bankruptcy. On an upturn, Clean Energy Fuels Corp. meets first resistance at $13.59. On a downturn, Clean Energy Fuels finds first level of support at $11.84. The latest analyst ratings for Clean Energy Fuels. Over the last 30 days, this security got 1 buy, 0 sell, and 0 hold ratings. Needham & Company LLC is very positive about CLNE and gave it a buy rating on May 17, 2021. The price target was set to $12. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Clean Energy Fuels is buy. If you would like to go deeper, here is some information about Clean Energy Fuels. Clean Energy Fuels Corp. provides natural gas as an alternative fuel for vehicle fleets in the United States and Canada. The company supplies compressed natural gas, CNG, liquefied natural gas, LNG, and renewable natural gas, RNG, for light, medium, and heavy-duty vehicles. It also designs, builds, operates, services, repairs, and maintains fueling stations. In addition, the company manufactures, sells, and services non-lubricated natural gas fueling compressors and other equipment used in CNG stations and LNG stations, provides assessment, design, and modification solutions to operators with code-compliant service and maintenance facilities for natural gas vehicle fleets, transports and sells CNG to industrial and institutional energy users, and processes and sells RNG, which is used as vehicle fuel. Further, it sells tradable credits comprising natural gas and RNG as a vehicle fuel, such as low-carbon fuel standards and renewable identification numbers credits, and helps its customers in acquiring and financing natural gas vehicles, as well as obtaining federal, state, and local tax credits, grants, and incentives.
Here is some latest headlines in the news about clean energy fuels. On the 9th of June 2021, why shares of clean energy fuels plunged 28% in May. A disappointing first-quarter earnings report drove investors to steer clear of this natural gas supplier. On the 9th of June 2021, CLNE, GEO, RIDE and CLOV among midday movers. On the 9th of June 2021, clean energy fuels plus 39% as meme stocks extend rally. On the 9th of June 2021, Wendy's and clean energy fuels among new meme stocks on the rise as Redditors seek new targets. Summary list placement: Reddit traders are driving rallies in a string of new meme stocks this week, including Wendy's, Clean Energy Fuels, and Context Logic, among others. Clean Energy Fuels, the Newport Beach, California-based natural gas provider, jumped 32% Wednesday morning, as Context Logic, the mobile e-commerce company, jumped 38%, building on a 50% rise during Tuesday's trading session. Fast food restaurant Wendy's struggled to replicate the previous day's rally, rising a modest 4% before fluctuating between losses and gains. The stock on Tuesday ended at its highest level in nearly 2 decades, at $28.87, higher by almost 26%. The 3 new meme stock names were among the top trending companies on Reddit investing threads like Wall Street Bets, according to Hype Equity data. For Wendy's, the word tendy was the most mentioned in posts about the company, a reference to both chicken nuggets on the menu and Reddit lingo that equates tendies with returns on investment. As for Context Logic and Clean Energy Fuels, Redditors were more bullish than bearish on the stocks, with hundreds of buy and call comments and far fewer about selling, the data showed. On the 9th of June 2021, WKHS, CLNE, GEO and CLOV among pre-market gainers.
Our recommended stop-loss, $12.59, minus 3.32%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. The RSI 14 is 84 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 10 days ago. Is Clean Energy Fuels stock a buy? Clean Energy Fuels Corp. holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.